I think love. You know, we all need a little bit more aloha, yeah? I want to thank Middle John for playing with me, guitar player there. Give him a big hand. Pete Atkins back on the drums. Bruce over there on bass. And Anna of my heartstrings. I love music. And thank you, Ka'umano, for having this. And Kauai Radio, thank you so much. Put it out on the Coconut Wireless. Be back from Honolulu soon. When the rain is blowing in your face and the whole world is on your case, I would offer you a warm embrace to make you feel my love. When evening shadows and the stars appear, there is no one to dry your tears, I would hold you for 1,000,000 years to make you feel my love. I know you haven't made your mind up yet, but I would never do you wrong. I've known it from the moment that we met. There's no doubt in my mind where you belong. I could make you happy, make your dreams come true. There is nothing I wouldn't do. I carry a cross for you to make you feel my love. Anna. The storms are raging on the open sea, down the highway of regrets. Storms of life are blowing wild and free. Boy, you ain't seen nothing yet. I could make you happy, make your dreams come true. There is nothing I wouldn't do. I carry the cross for you to make you feel my love. To make you feel my love. To make you feel my
Beautiful! Woo! Terry Garrison!
This is for Anna.
Beautiful, beautiful. Hana on violin, just fantastic.
Thanks, you guys. Thanks, Cindy.
And the band, let's just reannounce.